Mat Armstrong revealing his £1 million car collection. In the bustling world of car enthusiasts on YouTube, Mat Armstrong has quickly emerged as a standout name, particularly across the UK. This Leicester-based automotive aficionado isn't your typical car collector or YouTuber. He's carved a niche for himself with a fascinating approach to building an enviable car collection. Unlike those who might splurge on showroom-ready rides, Armstrong dives into the world of crashed high-end vehicles, seeing potential where others see total losses. His YouTube channel is a treasure trove of content where viewers can follow the journey of these cars from damaged and neglected to fully restored and modified masterpieces. Armstrong's approach brings a whole new meaning to the phrase built, not bought. Through his videos, he takes his audience on a detailed voyage of restoration, documenting every step of the way. This unique angle not only sets him apart in the crowded space of car YouTubers, but also adds an educational layer to his content. Viewers get to see the intricacies of car restoration, the challenges that come with it, and the satisfaction of breathing new life into a vehicle that was once considered beyond repair. This dedication to transforming the forgotten into the formidable has garnered Armstrong a rapidly growing fan base. His channel is not just about cars, it's about the journey, the ups and downs of restoration, and the passion that drives every project. Whether it's a Lamborghini, Aston Martin, or a classic BMW, Armstrong treats each project with the same level of dedication and enthusiasm, making his channel a must-watch for car lovers and restoration enthusiasts alike. 2012 Lamborghini Gallardo LP564. This stands out in Mat Armstrong's collection for its significant transformation. Originally a high-performance vehicle with 552 horsepower, Mat upgraded it with a push performance twin-turbo kit, boosting its output to an impressive 850 horsepower. This modification not only enhanced its performance, but also made it a unique piece in his collection. Additionally, the Gallardo received a visually striking half-and-half satin Arctic camo wrap with a gloss orange stripe, alongside an air suspension system for an adjustable stance. These modifications underscore Mat's skill at not just restoring, but also customizing cars to make them truly one of a kind. 2019 Aston Martin Vantage. This Aston Martin Vantage in Mat Armstrong's collection is an intriguing story, marked by a meticulous restoration process fraught with challenges. Mat's journey with this Vantage began when he acquired it for £54,000, a figure notably below market value, due to the car's damaged condition from a front-end collision. This purchase marked the start of an ambitious project to bring the British supercar back to its former glory. Restoring the Vantage proved to be a complex endeavor, primarily due to the sophistication of the vehicle and the difficulty in sourcing original equipment manufacturer parts. Aston Martins, known for their exclusivity and engineering complexity, require a level of expertise and patience during restoration, especially for models as recent as the 2019 Vantage. 2012 Audi RS5. This Audi in Mat Armstrong's collection is a standout vehicle, not just for its performance, but also for its significance. It was purchased for his girlfriend. This gesture adds a personal touch to his collection, highlighting not just his passion for cars, but also the relationships that enrich his life. The modifications Mat made to the RS5 serve to distinguish it further. He opted for a custom wrap in khaki green, a choice that transforms the car's appearance with a sleek, military-inspired look that's sure to turn heads. The exhaust system was another area where Mat left his mark. By fitting the RS5 with a Miltech catback exhaust, he amplified its V8 roar, augmenting the auditory experience of the car. This upgrade complements the visual modifications with an aural signature that makes the RS5 stand out even more, both in motion and at rest. The 2007 Maserati Gran Turismo is a standout example of comprehensive modification, embodying a blend of luxury and aggressive styling. Mat equipped this Italian Grand Tourer with a Liberty Walk body kit, significantly altering its appearance with a more pronounced, muscular stance. To complement its visual transformation, a custom exhaust system was installed, enhancing the car's auditory signature with a deeper, more resonant growl. In contrast, the 2002 BMW M3 tells the story of restoration and performance upgrades. Mat breathed new life into this iconic sports car, reviving it from a state of disrepair. He focused on enhancing its performance, fitting it with a Scorpion catback exhaust system to improve its sound and efficiency. Additionally, the M3 received a brake upgrade, elevating its handling to match its refreshed engine performance. The 2012 Toyota GT86 reflects Mat's enthusiasm for the drift culture. This vehicle was transformed into a drift-ready car with the installation of a Rocket Bunny wide-body kit, giving it an aggressive, track-focused look. An aftermarket exhaust system was added to match its visual boldness with an equally striking sound. This GT86 exemplifies Mat's skill in tailoring cars to specific driving disciplines, showcasing his ability to modify vehicles for enhanced performance and aesthetic appeal in the drifting arena. The 2015 Range Rover Vogue was initially acquired for practical reasons to serve as a tow vehicle. However, true to Mat's nature, it didn't remain in its stock form for long. He opted to modify it with a body kit, giving the SUV a refreshed and more contemporary appearance. This modification underscores Mat's approach to not just utility, but also aesthetics, ensuring that even the most functional vehicle in his collection stands out. The 2010 Mercedes C63 AMG represents one of the more challenging projects undertaken by Mat. This vehicle was rebuilt with a full AMG Black Series body kit, a modification that not only enhances the car's visual appeal, but also its performance characteristics. The build complexity is indicative of Mat's dedication to pushing the limits of his restoration and modification capabilities, tackling projects that demand a high level of expertise and effort. The 2002 Lamborghini Murcielago stands as a testament to Mat's commitment to reviving iconic supercars that many would consider beyond repair. This project involved engine restoration and mechanical repairs, a daunting task given the car's status as a high-performance exotic vehicle. Mat's work on the Murcielago highlights his ability to breathe new life into cars that hold a special place in automotive history, ensuring they remain on the road and appreciated by future generations. The 1989 BMW E24 635 CSI is another remarkable entry in Mat Armstrong's diverse car collection, embodying his passion for classic cars and restoration projects. Unlike the high-performance supercars and modern luxury vehicles that dominate his collection, this BMW represents a venture into the realm of classic automotive elegance. Acquired as a non-runner, the 635 CSI posed a unique challenge and opportunity for Mat, showcasing his commitment to bringing iconic vehicles back to their former glory. Mat Armstrong's 2017 Porsche 718 Cayman S project is a classic tale of turning lemons into lemonade. Picture this, a 718 Cayman S, snagged for a bargain because, well, it's seen better days. Way better. We're talking about a car that most folks would pass up without a second glance because of the damage. But not Mat, he sees a diamond in the rough. This Cayman didn't just get a facelift. It underwent a full-on transformation to sport a Cayman GT4 look. Imagine taking what was essentially the cheapest 718 Cayman S around, probably because it was more banged up than a demolition derby car, and flipping it into something that turns heads. Mat's project here isn't just about fixing up a car, it's about pushing the envelope, showing that with enough skill and vision, you can bring even the most heavily damaged vehicles back to life, and then some. It's the kind of story that gives all of us car buffs hope and inspiration. That banged up Porsche you might see in a salvage yard? Well, it could be your next project car, turning it into something that rivals cars twice its price. Mat's 718 Cayman S stands as a testament to his commitment to not just restoring cars, but transforming them into bespoke masterpieces. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to get more videos like this.